This one is a little app that I've coded up using Google AI Studio. And it's aimed at allowing individuals to just upload an image and then get AI feedback on the image, as if from an experienced photographer. So you can ask a follow-up question, and now it will give you an answer to your question. So you can actually have a conversation with the judge. Boom, boom. Okay, striking, high impact. Da, 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 da. To enhance this further, you might have experimented with a slightly lower or higher perspective. And I'm thinking a lot of small clubs can't afford to pay judges to come and run a competition, or even bigger clubs might find this a bit of fun. This is an open competition, anything goes, but it should be shot within the last month and everything should be shot at f8. Okay, so there's right. The judge's brief: be particularly aware that the images should all be shot at f8. So we don't want any very narrow depth of field shots. If that happens, then consider disqualification. But so this takes maybe 15 to 30 seconds to judge each image. If you were going to run this competition with 40 or 50 images, you'd do this the day before or a few days before. If I win this, then I'll consider competition. So this puts us into a new mode, which is presentation mode. So I put this together in 7 or 8 hours of coding, something like that, from scratch. And I'm quite pleased with how it's come together so far. It's not completely finished yet, but you could run a competition with it now, I think, without too much bother. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you what the possibilities are of using some of the current AI tools. And then particularly if you're new to photography or whatever, and maybe you haven't got access to an experienced mentor photographer or whatever, you could try uploading this stuff and get ideas about processing and stuff in the safety of your own living room without having to having to put yourself out there on club night and stuff like that. But yeah, the personal taste of judges is something, isn't it?
This is a spectacular wildlife moment captured in beautiful golden hour light, showing a Dalmatian pelican mid-splash with wings fully extended in a dramatic display. The image immediately commands attention through the explosive energy of the action and the stunning warm illumination that bathes the bird's plumage.
We're getting that visceral reaction because we're being judged, aren't we? Yeah, somebody is assessing our work, and they're our babies. These are our photos, and we've got that emotional attachment.
And if you've really enjoyed this from Joe, then you may really enjoy something that we've got coming up later in 2026. We're going to look at AI tools and how they can support you as a photographer in lots of detail across 4 Saturday morning sessions. Have a look at the website for more details. Should be super.